Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can learn about the different levels in the Snapwire application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then click on the settings button. And as you can see, there is a leveling button. So just click on that. And you will see everything about levels, how this leveling works, where you need to start, how you can submit to challenges, and you can read about the different levels, like the shooter level, advanced level, like how many points you need to be in an advanced level, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, the master level is the highest, and you can just read about these each of them separately. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.